We need an Asian president, man. That's what we need, yeah. Man or woman, get that Asian president in the White House. We will fix this place in a week. I promise you. Give us a solid 8 days, you will see results. Because we don't care, we just want things to work. Imagine all the Asian people in government just going down the list of broken things in America, fixing it one by one, with no agenda, just pure logic. Right? Just going down the list, just going, yeah, that's fine, that works. That's okay, that's kind of okay, that's broken, EPA is broken, Medicare is broken. Do your job, just slapping people in the face. Yeah, government shutdown? Yo, there's no government shutdown with Asian people in charge. We don't shut down for anything. We don't shut down for Christmas. Yeah. Do you understand? We work through public holidays. Any city in America, when it's 3 a.m. and you're hungry, where do you go? You go to Chinatown, that's where you go. That's right, because things are delicious, affordable, and open. We don't shut down for anything.